Let's have a look at the first steps we want to cover before starting to edit or customize our new website. From our homepage, let's go to Dashboard. On the left sidebar, you will see a couple new items added by WpCasterPro. The User Manager, Podcast Episodes, Elementor, and the Music Player settings, while here on the bottom you will find the Mega Footer access. First of all, let's make sure that Elementor is correctly set. In the first page, we really want to make these two checkboxes active, so disable default colors and disable default fonts. These two options will make sure that Elementor is not overriding the settings that you are going to choose from the customizer. Then let's click Advanced. In this page, you will want to have this set on external file, so the CSS print method does not have to be on internal embedding. Internal embedding means that the CSS is printed in the HTML content itself, which is not going to be working fine with the Ajax page loading. Then in the Features tab, it needs to look like this. So the only enabled features should be Optimized DOM output and the last two options, Upgrade Swiper Library and Landing Pages. Also, you want to make sure the Flexbox container is disabled. Elementor is going to make you try to enable it, but this is still an experimental feature and this is going to break most of your pages, so just leave it off. The second step is to go to Settings, Ajax Page Loading. The first time you install WpCasterPro, you are going to see a notification pop up on every page on the bottom right corner. Ajax Page Loading is the functionality that keeps the music playing when you change pages. But when you're logged in as administrator, Ajax Page Loading is disabled. So if you play the music and change page, the music is going to stop. This is perfectly normal, but since people normally don't remember this, we added this pop-up screen that says when you are logged as admin, the music stops when you change page to allow editing functions. If you want to try out your Ajax page loading and the music player functions, you can copy this link, open an incognito window and paste the link. Now play the music and change page. You will notice that the music stays playing. First of all, we can disable the admin notification. Once you learned that administrators are not going to see the Ajax page load effect, you can disable this. In this way, this pop-up screen is going to disappear. Another thing that you might have noticed is that there was no preloader. So now let's see which are the options here in the Ajax page loader settings. At this point, you can choose to enable a preloader and choose which preloader you want to see. So you have a spinner, and you always need to go to an incognito window to try it. We can set different colors. Or we can set a different type of loading screen. If you enable the second option, the loading screen will be used as well when changing from one page to another. This second option is recommended only if your pages are particularly slow or if your server is particularly slow. Otherwise, it's much easier to leave it like this and less bothering for the users. A third option is the fast preloader, which is a very gentle fade-in effect when you open the website. Like this. At this point, your website is ready to be customized and you can start adding your own contents. See you on the next video.